Morning children. Today we are going to do revision worksheet 2. Choose the correct answer. What is the question? Choose the correct answer. The man was going to, in this it is the choose the correct answer of Puppy and I poem. You must be knowing it. So what is the answer? The man was going to A. Have fun, get some hay, get some bread, get some water. What is the correct answer? Get some bread. The man was going to get some bread. What did the tiger cub catch one night? A deer, a pig, a frog, a cat. So what is the correct answer? The tiger cub catch one night a frog. When the mother tiger roared, all the animals were A. Happy, B. Frightened, C. Awake, D. Not frightened. So what is the correct answer? When the mother tiger roared, all the animals were frightened. B. Frightened. Once again we will read. Choose the correct answer. The man was going to get some bread. What did the tiger cub catch? A frog. When the mother tiger roared, all the animals were frightened. Number 4. What does the crow tell the road? A. Good morning, good night, go to sleep, wake up. So what is the answer correct? Wake up. The crow tell the road to wake up. Which word in the poem rhymes with today? A. I, B. bread, C. talking, D. hay. So with today, D. hay. The word goes hay. Where did the mother tiger and her small cub live? Near river, near a forest, near a mountains, near a sea. Come on, who will tell me where did the mother tiger and her small cub live? They live near a river. So once again we will say, what does the crow tell the road? To wake up. Which word in the poem rhymes with today? Hay. Where did the mother tiger and her small cub live? Near a river. Write T for true and F for false sentences. 1. The mother tiger and her cub lived near a river in the jungle. So it is what? True. It is true. The tiger cub caught a fish. So what is the answer? Did tiger cub caught a fish? No. What did he caught? He caught a frog. So this is wrong. The man was going to get some milk. Where was the man going? The man was going to get some bread. So this is also false. Horse went to the village to get some hay. Yes, this is true. Where did horse go? He went to the village to get some hay. What he wanted? Some hay. So once again, the mother tiger and her cub live near a river in the jungle. True. The tiger cub caught a fish. False. The man was going to get some milk. False. Horse went to the village to get some hay. True. Complete the poem. Now this first line is I have written, and those sentences which are in the bracket, that is the missing line. I met a horse as I went walking. I met a horse as I went walking. So we got talking. This you have to write by yourself. Horse and I. This also have to complete. Where are you going to horse today? Where are we going? Horse today. I said to the horse as he went by. This is also a blank only. Down to the village to get some hay. Where he was going? Down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? Will you come with me? So the answer is no, not I. No, not I. So dear children, the sentences which I have underlined, which are in the brackets like this way, are the missing one. The lines will come, you have to complete the poem by yourself. Only first line and ending line will be given. In the middle part, you have to learn the full poem and you have to think from which paragraph this poem is, first, second or third if it is very big paragraph, and you have to write it down. What you have to do, you have to then write it, learn and complete the blanks properly. So once again we'll do complete the poem. I met a horse as I went walking. We got talking, horse and I. Where are you going to, horse, today? I said to the horse as he went by, down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? Will you come with me? No, not I. No, not I. So dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise of the worksheet, revision worksheet. Complete this work in your English notebook with neat and good handwriting.